Good morning kids and welcome back to your math class. Today will be the last revision of for this exam. This will be the one day we will get the revision. So now today once again I will make a revision of all chapters, but once we will come from first. In yesterday's video you have seen the number 4-digit numbers, how to write in the places and how to write the standard form, how to write the expanded form. So now introduction of 4-digit also has been completed yesterday. So the 4-digit number, the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The biggest 4-digit number or the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. So now you know to write the missing numbers. Okay, this is a skip by 1000. Yesterday you have made a skip of by ones, by twos, by fives, by tens, by ones. So now here will be the skip of 1000. Okay, now here is the given numbers here. Here is a 1000. So 1000 is written in words where it is here 1000. This is 5000. The word is written 5000. 7000. This is a numerical form. How to write in a words or a number name? 7000. 3000. 3000. How to write 3000 in words? THREE 3 3000. Here is 8000. So we here is 8000. So we tick to the 8000. 2000. Okay, 2000. 4000. 4000. Okay, 6000. 7000. 6000. 9000. 9000. So now this here is the one more than the 3-digit greatest number. Which is the 3-digit greatest number? 999. If you add 1 to it, it will become the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. So 1 less than smallest 4-digit number is 999. Okay, 999. Reading and writing of 4-digit numbers. Our number system is based on groups of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. The number system, Indian number system is based on ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. I have explained this all. So you will write ones place ones, O as a to indicate the place of ones, T as a tens, H as a hundreds, TH as a thousands. Okay, you know how to show the place value. Now here reading of numbers, you know this. Okay, and counting here of that many places, and we are going to write these numbers in a standard form. Here is given in words, so you have to write in numerical form, means standard form. 2450, 2450, 7080, 7080, 5004, 5004, 4617, 4617, 6060, 6060, 8139, 3700. So 9909, 9909, tens place is not given, so we write a 0. Okay, this you know how to write in the place value chart. 6 in 1. Now this is the number as 2116. 6 in 1's place, 1 in 10's place, 8, 1 in 100 place, 2 in 1000 place. How to write in words? 2116. So this all remaining we have completed in our regular classes. Okay, just we will make a revision. I am the smallest 4-digit. I told you 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. I am greatest 4-digit number. 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. I have 3 in 1000 place, 3 in 1000 place, plus 0 in 100 place, 0 in 100 place and tens place, 0 in 100 place and tens place, and 4 in ones place. Okay, all my digits are 1. 4 digits are 1. So 4 digit number is 1111. I have 6 in the thousands and tens places. I have 6 in thousands and tens places, thousand place and tens places, and 0 in 100 place and ones place. Okay. Now next, place value and face value. You know the place value, how to find the place value and the face value. This is the place value chart. Okay, this is very important. Ones place, the number whatever comes in ones place, that itself it shows the number, because we will multiply only by ones place. Now tens place, whichever number you will have, there will be in the tens place, will multiply by 10. We will multiply by 10. So why you should multiply? Because the number is in the place of 10. So to find the place value, you multiply by its original place with the number, value of that place with the number. Now 100 same, in the 100 number 3 is there, you have to multiply by 100. Why? Because the value of that place. 4 you will multiply by 1000. Why? Because 1000 will be in the place of circle the digits in the 1000 places, which are in 1000 place, that we have circled, which are in 100 place we circle, which are in 10th place we circle, and ones place we circle. So by this you will understand the places. Now look at this place value. Write the place value of the circled digit. Look at this. This is the numbers given here, 3420. They have circled for 2, and 2 is in which place? 2 is in tens place. So 2 you multiply by 10, so you will get 20, and this 2 by multiply by 1. Why? Because 2 is in ones place. The face value of 2 in each places will be 2. Why? Because face value itself the number, the face value the number itself. Okay, write the face value and the place value of circled. Face value the number itself, it comes the number itself. Place value the number you have to multiply by the value of that place. If 8 is in which place now? 8 is in 100 place. So you multiply 8 into 100. Okay. Now here same 5986. 5 itself the number. But 5 is in which place? 1000 place. So you multiply 5 into 1000. 5 multiply by 1000. Okay. Now expanded notion. Expanded notion means the number will be given in the standard form and you have to write in expanded form. Now 4800. 10th place and 100 place is 0. So write only 4 in 1000, 4 as a 4000, and 100 plus 0, 10th plus 0, and 1's place 8. 2000 plus 300 plus 1's place is 0, 10th place is 0. 8210. 8210 0. Now 7456. 7000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 6. Okay, this type writing is called as expanded form. Okay, write each numbers in expanded form. Same this. Okay, write this numbers you have to write in expanded form. Wherever the number value is not given, 0, write directly plus 0. Okay, and now writing 4-digit numbers in standard form. You have to write. Now you have written in expanded form. Here expanded form, in the numbers will be given in expanded form. You have to write then standard form. Directly you write 4000 plus 7000 plus 800. In 1000 place you write 4, 100 place you write 7, tens place you write 8, and ones place you write this 8. The number you will get is 4708. Okay, 7043. 100 place is not shown here, so directly write 7043. 7043. 6301. Tens place is not there. Okay, same this. Writing the numbers in standard form. Expanded, it is given in expanded form, we have to write in standard form. Comparing and ordering. Whenever, generally I will tell you, comparing and ordering. Whenever you will write the symbols, greater, bigger or smaller symbol, first you compare always in 4-digit number, place 1000 place, 100 place, then you compare tens place, then ones place. Okay, means first you compare the tens 1000 place, then 100 place, 1000 place, 1000 place, 100 place, tens place, and ones place. Okay kids, then comparing and ordering. Order, you know how to write the ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means you have to write the numbers from smaller number to big number, small number to big number. Same here also, you have to compare first 1000 place, then 100 place, then tens place, and ones place. Descending order, write the, arrange the numbers in bigger number to smaller number, big number to small number is called descending order. Counting the numbers, backward counting and forward counting, you know this. Okay, before number and after number, you know. Forward and backward counting by ones, write the missing numbers. Yes, here this is the before number and these are the after number of the given number. Observe the pattern and complete the number steps. Okay, this is the strip. Number strip is given by jump of 10 steps from 1210 to 1220, 1230, 1240, 1250. Okay, so on. So here till how much the box is given, that much numbers you have to count, and then forming the numbers, you know this, forming of 4-digit numbers, isn't it? And write the greatest 4-digit number using the digits 1, 2 and 5. Repeat only one digits. You know I have explained this. 5211. Now this all revision I have made on the first day. So kids, this is the, if you learn this, all the revision classes will get whatever I have taught, and so that you have to learn all the revision classes. And once again, all the best for your exam. Study well, and your exams date and this all everything will be messaged in your group. So kids, have